Good morning, children. Today's topic of social studies is for class 7 reading maps of different kinds. The world we live in has got many variations like mountains, hills, sea coasts, deserts, forests, snow-covered regions. How can we study these variations and effects of this variation on the life of the people, children? Yes, maps of different kinds help us to study all these variations. What is a map? A map is a representation of the part of the earth or the whole earth on a flat surface. In this, you can see the whole earth which is represented on a flat surface. This one, you can see the part of the earth. So, map is a representation of the part of the earth or the whole earth on a flat surface, children. Types of maps. Physical maps. These maps shows physical features like mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, rivers and other water bodies. You can see here. Next, what are political maps? These maps show political boundaries of the country. Here, India and Nepal, India and Bhutan, like this. States, say Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and also cities and the political divisions, all the political divisions. Thematic maps. Maps which show the type of the soils, ownership and the type of the crops grown etc. are called thematic maps. This map will show you the mountain soil, alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, desert soil. You can see. So, it shows the types of soils, ownership and also the type of the crops grown etc. Next, besides these, there are maps that show crops grown, minerals found in various places, rainfall in different areas, industries, population, transport, soil, natural resources, forests and wildlife. I'll show you in the next pages. Before that, what is atlas? A book of maps is called atlas, children. Now I am going to show you different maps. This map shows the important rock sites in Andhra Pradesh. Different types of maps I am showing you. This map shows the empire of Ashoka. This map shows the emergency of kingdoms and republics, which is also called Mahajanapadas, 16 kingdoms. This map shows some national parks and wildlife sanctuaries of India. Distribution of rainfall in India, this map is showing, and this map shows the distribution of different types of forests in India. This map shows major railway routes of India, and this map shows major air and sea routes of India. This map shows main industries of India. This map shows distribution of crops in India. This map shows major mineral deposit sites in India, and this map shows main centers of the first war of independence, that is the history map. Next, children. Next, we'll understand what is a sea level. Place where sea and land meet is sea level. Land and sea, that is water meet, it is 0 meters. Mean sea level. What is mean sea level? Means average of High and low sea level is mean sea level. Now measuring the heights on the land. How do we measure the height of a land? All heights on the land are calculated from the sea level. This picture shows heights in Nimapur village. This is sea, 0 meters. From here to here, which is shown in the green color, is 50 meters height from the sea level. That is Nimapur village. From sea level to here is 100 meters. That is temple is located. From 0 meters to here, that is 150 meters height, this place, peak of the mountain, children. So, showing heights on a map. The colors here. This green color is showing 0 to 50 meters height, and this light brown color shows 51 to 100 meters, and this dark brown is showing 101 to 150 meters height. This figure is of Nimapur village showing the heights. We have to know the language of the map to study the map. Language of the map. As you know, directions. North, south, east, west. Top of the map is north. Bottom of the map is south. Right side is east. Left side is west. And sub-directions, you know it. North and east in between is northeast. North and west in between is northwest. South and east in between is southeast. South and west in between is southwest. Cardinal directions and sub-directions. Scale. What is the scale? Ratio of map distance to ground distance will be given. That is scale. And a color scheme. This map shows you the color scheme. Blue color shows water bodies. Light blue is shallow waters. Dark blue will show deep waters. Next, brown color shows mountains. In that also light brown hills, dark brown mountains. And the green color, this shows lowlands or plains, and the yellow color shows deserts and scrublands. Symbols, children. Another language of the map, fourth language of the map is symbols. A sign that shows a meaning on the map is called a symbol. They are also called conventional symbols. Here railway, international, boundary, sorry, not railway, boundary, international, state, district boundaries, road, metalled, unmetalled. Here railway, fort, temple, church, mosque, town or village, grass and shrubs, bridge symbol, forest symbol, stream symbol, post office, dam, telegraph office, well and tank, police station. Next. So all the real things or physical objects are shown on the map with the help of a point, line or an area symbol. So symbols are classified into point symbol, line symbol, area symbol and point symbol. Examples, capitals and states, well, cities, inline symbols, rivers, streams, roads, railways. In area symbols, post office, police station, hospital, forest, etc. Counterlines, children. What are counterlines? A counterline is a line joining the place with equal heights. Here you can see the counterlines. Counterlines will be irregular shape. Here you can see, here also you can see, depending upon the landform. This is steep landform, this is gentle landform. They cannot cut each other. And the distance between the two counterlines will depend upon the landscape. If the land has a steep climb, then the counterlines will be near to each other. This counterlines will be near to each other. Then if the slope of the land is gentle, then the counterlines will be quite far here from each other. Maps showing heights help us to understand the nature of the terrain. These are very essential when roads or dams are to be constructed. What is the task for this video? Find out the height of few Indian cities. Thank you all, children. Have a nice day.